So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to go to your phone and try to search for settings app. Tap on it to open it. Then after that, what you have to do is to try to search for apps and notification. So when you find it, just tap on it to open it. And after that, what you have to do next is to tap on see your apps. After tapping on see your apps, try to search for Gmail app. So just scroll down and you're going to find your Gmail app over here. So when you find it, just tap on it to open it. After that, what you have to do is to tap on the first stop, then you tap on OK. Now tap on mobile data or mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restrictions. Then after that, make sure the background data is toggled on. You have to make sure it's turned on. Now go back and tap on, storage and cache. Then you tap on clear cache. After doing this, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store and try to search for Gmail. So after searching your Gmail, what you have to do is to tap on it to open it. Then after that, make sure you check the latest update of this. So when you can find update over here, just tap on it. But when you can find open as you are seeing on mine, don't tap on it, but rather try to reboot or update, reboot or restart your device. So tap on the power button for some while, tap on restart, then you tap on OK. And this is going to fix this problem after restarting your device. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.